Welcome to Such the Reality. This is Rishi Chaudhary and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring to you the latest updates across the nation and beyond. Let's have a look. The District Tobacco Control Cell of Golaghat, in partnership with the Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission, recently held an extensive training session for officials and Jivika Sakhis from various blocks in the district. The program was designed to enhance their knowledge and skills in implementing effective tobacco control strategies. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma declared that he would take a firm stance and prevent Mia Muslims from taking over the state. Sharma made this statement during an assembly session discussing adjournment motions by opposition parties concerning the law and order situation following the rape of a 14-year-old girl in Nagaon. In Moran, Dibrugarh, a young student named Kapil Bora was allegedly killed by two friends over a love rivalry. Bora, who was from Demo and studying at Moran College, was lured to a remote location where he was strangled. The suspects, Raja Das and another person, have been arrested and reportedly confessed to the crime. Kolkata is on high alert for the Nabanna Abhijan protest march by Paschim Bongo Chhatra Samaj, demanding Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's resignation over the alleged rape and murder of a trainee doctor. The police have arrested 4 people for allegedly planning to incite violence during the protest. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma announced that former Jharkhand Chief Minister Champai Soren will join the BJP on August 30. Sharma, who is also the BJP's co-in-charge for Jharkhand's upcoming assembly elections, shared a photo of Soren with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, revealing the date of Soren's formal induction into the party. Union Minister Annapurna Devi has criticized West Bengal for not activating its 123 allocated fast-track special courts or implementing key emergency services for women and children. In her letter to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Devi pointed out that by mid-June 2023, none of these courts were operational, despite the widespread use of FTSCs in other states. A massive conspiracy to derail the Vande Bharat Express was uncovered in Pali, Rajasthan on August 23rd. A large cement slab was deliberately placed on the tracks intended to overturn the high-speed train. The train's engine struck the slab, forcing it to halt for 8 minutes. In response, the Rajasthan BJP has demanded strict action against those responsible for this dangerous act. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for Gujarat, forecasting heavy to extremely heavy rain over the next 2 to 3 days. The alert is due to a deep depression moving from the East Rajasthan towards Saurashtra, with rain expected to persist until August 29. Gujarat has been marked as a flash flood risk zone by the IMD. South Korean President Yoon Suk Yeol has called for a comprehensive investigation into digital sex crimes after reports revealed that sexually explicit deepfake images and videos of South Korean women are being widely circulated on Telegram. The issue has sparked significant outrage, with the president condemning the abuse of technology. In a significant move to boost domestic cricket, the Board of Control for Cricket in India has announced the introduction of prize money to honour exceptional players. This new initiative, revealed by BCCI Secretary Jay Shah on social media, aims to recognize and reward talent at all levels of domestic cricket, marking a major advancement in acknowledging excellence in Indian cricket. Thank you. For more such updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
हाय प्रियंका, कैसी है?
हाय, बस तू कैसी है?
मैं भी बढ़िया। क्या बात है, नई स्कूटी लेने का सोच रही है?
हाँ यार, नई स्कूटी लेनी है, लेकिन मंगलदुई में कहाँ लूँ, किस पे भरोसा करूँ, पता नहीं ना यार।
अरे क्यों, श्री साई मोटर्स है ना, यहाँ तुझे अच्छी स्कूटी तो मिलेगी ही, साथ ही में अच्छे ऑफर्स और अच्छी सर्विसेज भी मिलेंगी।
फिर तो मुझे आज ही जाके लेना चाहिए श्री साई मोटर्स से स्कूटी, और फिर हम लोग चलेंगे लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
क्या आप अपने नए 2 व्हीलर की तलाश में है तो आज ही आए मंगलदोई भिभार घाट के श्री साई मोटर्स में। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे बेहतरीन ऑप्शंस, शानदार ऑफर्स और भरोसेमंद सर्विस।
अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें 9289922889 पर या 9864958 057 पर। श्री साई मोटर्स, आपके भरोसे का नाम।